Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to make Ghanaian pancakes. Need 1 cup of flour, 175 milliliters of evaporated milk, 150 milliliters of water, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 2 eggs. Pour all your wet ingredients into a blender. Don't add the flour first because it will stick to the bottom. I've already diluted the evaporated milk with the water. So I added my melted butter, the eggs. I forgot to mention that I'll be adding some vanilla essence. So add any extract of your choice. We've got our flour, our sugar. I added 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add up to 4 tablespoons. A pinch of nutmeg and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick blend for about 30 seconds and you are good to go. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. It's all done, blended in 30 seconds, and this is the consistency that we are looking for. You can make this beforehand and store in the fridge, either for some few hours or even overnight. To fry your pancakes, you need a little bit of oil in your pan and then you pour out your butter. It should be fried over medium to low heat. Make the flipping over easier. Make sure that the top of the pancake is dried up. That is why I'll recommend frying on low heat, because it will take you a minute or two for it to dry up so it doesn't burn. Thank you all for watching. Hope this video was very helpful. Kindly leave a comment and don't forget to share the video. Bye.